What is going on, guys? I've just arrived in Singapore for Token 2049 and to attend BitGet's 5th year anniversary tomorrow. We're having an amazing event. I'm going to bring you all the content, but I couldn't go to sleep without bringing you this video. It's almost midnight, but let's get into it. This is insane. The crypto markets, frankly, are an absolute mess right now. We're bleeding, and worryingly, Ethereum has broken out in a very negative way. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's have a look at exactly what is going on. We're going to start off with crypto bubbles. We're changing things up. This is how we're starting today's video. Everything is bloody red. Oh, yes, it is. The markets are incredibly down. Let's go straight into the numbers and the figures, and then we'll talk about some of the reasons as to why it is. So at the time I'm making this video, Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 2.68%. We then have Ethereum, which is down 3.72%, which frankly I find absolutely insane. BNB is down over 3%. XRP is down over 5% at 47 cent, and BGB token is at 43 cents, down 1.18%. Let's have a quick look at the memes. We already know the theme here, but Shiba is down 4.17%, Doge is down 2%, Pepe is down 7.2%, Bonk is down 4%, Bone is down 10.6%. Insane. Now there is one that I really do want to show you and see if we can have a look at it. I will have a look at that in a second to make sure we get the correct price. I just want to make sure it's live. So let's have a look at this. So Bitcoin right now, remember the bottom of the range was 24,775. The top of the range was 27,636. We're currently at $25,100. This is going to be critical. And remember this moment because we're going to Ethereum. You'll know on this channel, we have noticed sometimes that Ethereum has moved before Bitcoin. Ethereum has broken down. Does that mean that Bitcoin is going to follow? There's enormous sell pressure. Right now, the bottom of the range is $1,570, and the top of the range, you'll remember, is $1,730. We have broken down. We are no longer in that range. The next 2 or 3 candles are going to be incredibly important on the 4-hour chart to see our next move. Are we going to see an aggressive spike up, or are we going to continue to break down? But you're probably wondering what is causing this, and we're going to talk about that in a second. So right now we're at 35 fear. I do want to bring Solana live to you now, so let's have a quick look at this, and we're looking at this for a reason. So Solana is down. It's down at $17.80. It's down 2.1%. It's not as bad as probably most would think, and you're probably thinking, why are you looking at Solana? Now look at this article. Now, the market impact as FTX is preparing to liquidate $3.4 billion in cryptocurrency assets. Now, let's go back to CoinMarketCap and have a look at the crypto market. The global cryptocurrency market cap is $1 trillion, and it's down in the last 24 hours at 2.6%, which is just insane. If you're going to liquidate 3.4 billion of that, that's a big percentage of that overall market cap that is going to be filtering out of the markets, and frankly, people, in my opinion, are panicking. This is at a time when we're seeing delays to ETFs. Anyway, we'll come on to that in a second. Now, FTX was the bankrupt exchange, clearly a lot of people got, and they're awaiting a court approval over the potential liquidation of its assets. Now, this is likely to go ahead. The cryptocurrency markets are clearly reacting to this. Could this be the reversal of a buy the rumour, sell the news moment? Should we be doing the opposite? I've got to be honest, I don't think that's the right thing to even suggest at this point. This is, despite positive news about the Visa and potential ETFs, FTX impending $3 billion liquidation could be the dictating market movement. Is FTX going to destroy the way that we go? Some are saying that we're being quite, premature with our actions here, and it's essential to note that the documents indicate the desire to offload up to $100 million worth of crypto weekly, and this cap might be occasionally doubled to $200 million. So it's not all in one go, it's going to be over a period of time, but this isn't, frankly, getting people happy, to be honest. Now, records show that Solana forms the biggest portion of their assets, and it's valued at over $650 million. So why isn't Solana reacting worse compared to the rest of the markets? This is why I'm bringing it to your attention. It was literally their number one holding. You can see it above my head there. Then you have SGT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., etc. This is going to inform a lot of people with the way that they trade if they are granted this permission. But it's my job to always come back and have a look. And I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. I'm wondering, is it going to follow Ethereum? I don't think anybody truly knows the answer. This has come as a little bit of a shock to a lot of people, but not for people that stay up to date with the latest crypto news. This is why it's so important that I deliver this to you daily, and we celebrate hitting that 10k milestone together, because we're doing the right thing. We're trying to educate people through the latest news, not allowing them to make misinformed decisions, allowing them to get all the information they need to make a decision that they have made in their mind the right way. On this channel, we'll never provide financial advice. We're just doing things the right way, trying to make you more informed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the 10k. Sorry if I sound a little bit crazy. I'm trying to be quiet while making a video because it's almost midnight here in Singapore. But yeah, can't wait to bring you all of the content here from Singapore. Thanks for your support. And most importantly, let's go.